We've got Dean back in from JamesHardie. Dean, tell us, what is new in the Hardie architectural collection?
We've actually got 2 new releases, Tom. So we've got our Hardie Oblique cladding, which is help us create that bold vertical look. Using these deep shadow lines here on the Oblique cladding, we've got a 200 and 300 arraignment. So we've got this sort of Scandi barn look, this vertical profile that we're going with there. And then over here we've got our brushed concrete cladding, which is one of our new texture boards. So it's an evolution from the fine texture cladding board. It's helping us design from the ground up and create that modern look with some of our Hardie architectural range over here as well.
That's really new for the Hardie palette, you would say, and I'd imagine that has fantastic benefits from an internal perspective also.
Yeah, correct. So, it's helping us achieve 7-star rating out there in market, as well as our Oblique cladding, and it's helped us create that architectural collection, which we've focused it on, different product lines.
Well, I'm convinced we're going to be using Hardie brushed concrete in our next project at home, so thank you. But if you're wanting the latest look for your home, here it is right here, Hardie brushed concrete and Hardie oblique cladding. Pop down to the Build and Design Centre and make a selection for your home.